3 easy steps to change the color of clothing in Photoshop so that you can take one outfit and make it look like you have multiple outfits. We're going to head over to Photoshop, and with your quick selection tool, select the clothing that you are wanting to change the color of. Go to your adjustment layers, click on solid color, pick the color that you'd like it to be. This will fill it with a solid color. The blend mode you want to choose is color because this will bring the detail back into the dress. You can open the colorful box, and this will enable you to choose the color you want from the color picker box or move your hue slider up and down. The next step is to go to the mask, and with a black brush, paint out where you don't want that colorful to show. At any point, you can go back to your colorful, which will open up the color picker and select whatever color you want. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you found that helpful. Follow along for more Photoshop tutorials.